Hi viewers, we want to look at how we can find the area of the shaded portion in this diagram. This shaded portion is what we call major sector. So for we to find the area of this major sector, mathematically, we can say that area of shaded portion is given as 360 minus theta all over 360 times the area of the circle, which is pi r squared. Viewers, our angle here is 360 minus theta because when finding the area, we use the reflex angle here. So since the angle here is given, we subtract it from 360. In cases where the angle is given here direct, we use it direct without subtracting. So let's see how we can break this down. So we have 360 minus our theta is given here as 70. So we put our 70 all divided by 360 times pi, which is 22 over 7, times our radius, which is 5. So we have 5 squared. Viewers, 360 minus 70 will give us 290 all divided by 360 multiplying 22 over 7 times 5 squared will give us 25. Viewers, 290 divided by 360 times 22 over 7 times 25 will give us 63.293 centimeter squared. Viewers, this is how we can find the area of the shaded portion. Use the same approach to find the area of the shaded portion in this diagram. Hi viewers, we want to look at how we can find the area of the shaded portion of this diagram. This shaded portion is what we call minor sector. So for we to find the area of this shaded portion, mathematically, we say that area of shaded portion is equal to theta over 360 times the area of the circle, which is pi r squared. The theta here represents the angle given in the question. So when we do our substitution, we have 85 divided by 360. Our pi is given at 22 over 7 and our radius is 15. So we have 15 squared. We can simplify this as 85 over 360 times 22 over 7. Our 15 squared will give us 225. Viewers, 85 divided by 360 multiplying 22 over 7 times 225, we are going to have 166.96 centimeter squared. Viewers, this is how we can answer this question. Use the same approach to solve this one and leave your answer in the comment section. Hi viewers, we want to look at how we can find the length of the chord in the following diagram. Let us look at question number 1. From question number 1, our chord in this diagram is AB. And for we to find the length of the chord, we find half of the chord and multiply it by what? 2. Let's see how we can do it. Now we pick our triangle from the circle, then we draw it here. As we can see, we have A here, O here, and B here. From O to A is 3 centimeters, O to B is also 3 centimeters. Now, for we to get half of this chord AB, first of all, we take our height of the triangle, viewers, and after taking the height, is perpendicular to AB, so we put an angle of 90 degrees here. We can name here N, all right? Now, one thing we need to know about isosceles triangle is that anytime we take our height, we bisect the angle here into 2. Now, since our total angle given is 50, bisecting it into 2, we are going to have 25 here and 25 here. And one thing we need to also know is that since we take our height here, we bisect the baseline into 2. So from N to B is the same as N to A. So let us pick one of the triangle and find its distance. So we have O here, N here, B here. We have 3 centimeters. The angle here is 25, so we look for NB. Viewers, we are going to use our trig ratio to do that. Now, NB is opposite to this angle, and OB is the hypotenuse. So we are going to use the ratio, which the one that is having opposite and hypotenuse, and that will be our sine ratio. So we say that sine 25 equal to opposite, which is our NB, all divided by our hypotenuse. Therefore, making NB the subject, we do cross multiplication. So 3 will multiply sine 25. Therefore, our NB will be 1.268 centimeters, viewers. And that will give us half of the chord. But we are looking for the total distance, which is AB. So our AB is going to be 2 multiplying NB. And our NB is 1.268. Viewers, our length of the chord is going to be 2.536 centimeters. And this is how we can get the length of the chord in this diagram. Use the same concept to answer question number 2 by finding the length of the chord X, Y, and leave your answer in the comment section. Thank you.